Hi everyone. So some time ago my brain said to me,
"Hey man, that new Lightyear model looks pretty sick. You should make a model of it. How hard could it be?"
stupid brain. For today's descent into insanity, build, we're going to be using Super Sculpey Firm, as well as a bunch of other things I've got laying about, but mainly Super Sculpey Firm. And because writing scripts sucks, I'm going to sit this one out for a little while.
Wait a second there, bro. Your proportions look out.
Dang it, brain. Why didn't you say that before? But he's right. Because Buzz's head got so big, making that big Chad chin, it threw the rest of the model out of proportion. So Buzz needed some emergency surgery to remove his arms so I could bulk up the shoulders. Buzz sure is doing his best Venus de Milo impression.
Hey bro, you know that an armless Mrs. Nesbit joke probably would have been a lot funnier and more appropriate for your audience, right?
Stupid brain. So let's have a go at making this awesome Pixar version of a lightsaber. We'll start off by making a mold of the blade. And as Darth Vader says,
"This facility is crude, but it should be adequate to
contain our silicone mold. And after removing the master version of the blade from the silicone mold, it was time to pour in the epoxy resin. As you can see, the resin cast didn't come out so great, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to cover it in blue silicone sealant anyway. So we're getting to the end of our project. There's just one part left to do that I'm absolutely dreading.
the eyes.
If I mess these up, it messes the whole thing up. Luckily, there are a couple of other things still to do.
Do the eyes.
No, I'm good. I'm just gonna do the base instead.
The eyes.
Oh look, there's still some decal work left to do. Alright, I'll do the eyes. Just give me a moment. So how did they turn out? Well, see for yourself. So this was a really enjoyable but killer build, and I need to have a lie down now. But I hope my pain entertained you. If it did, please consider smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel. If you'd like to see more, try clicking these, and stay tuned because I've got loads of ideas for other videos. So until the next one, cheers and have a good one.